Yes, people, nice one for joining us today. We're back cleaning a dirty Audi wheel. Hope you like it. Make sure to subscribe. Don't forget to comment below where you're from, what city, what country. I want to know, guys. As you can see, these wheels are really dirty, so wait for the end result on this one. First of all, we're going to get the Bahama Blue, make a little mix. This is just to wash the wheels down during the mid-wash. But yeah, this is my go-to product, Bahama Blue. Lovely shampoo to use. Big shout out to our main sponsor, Dual Auto Care, for making everything happen with all the products, all our buckets. Here's your man to go to. Make sure you check him out. Now here's the tool station for today. So we've got a Red 7 by Auto Smart. This is an iron fallout spray. This is our acid free wheel cleaner. Nice to use as a pre-wash. And here are the brushes we're taking to war with us today. For these big Audi wheels. We've got a nice Audi RSQ8 in. Got to have the wheels shining for him. For all my oddly satisfying and ASMR lovers, I thought I had to put this in there for you. So I tried filming it in POV for you, but I couldn't do it, so I brought in my friend. He's going to star the show today. Now time to jet wash off. And now a little bit of snow foam. And we go again. Make sure these wheels are nice and shiny for our customer. Now we're going to get a clean cloth and go over the wheels with it. Just make sure everything's dry, nice and clean, ready to address the tyre shine after. You can already see the wheels shining. This is the part you want to take notice, guys. How to make them tyres look brand new again. Now look at that for a result. Nice and shiny, dirt free, looking brand new again. Thank you for watching, people. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate it.